Innoson, Nigeria. 13 years of quality, innovation and impact. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Limited, commonly known as IVM, celebrates a remarkable milestone, and it's not just about marking another year on the calendar. Innoson Vehicles was founded by Chief Dr. Innocent Chukwuma, a visionary whose life's journey parallels Nigeria's progress. Nationality, Nigeria. Date of birth, October 1st, 1961. Occupation, entrepreneur, manufacturing. Net worth, $1.5 billion, born on Nigeria's Independence Day. Chief Chukwuma's dedication and innovative spirit have made Innoson a symbol of self-reliance and progress in the nation. His relentless pursuit of quality and excellence has taken Innoson from a small dream to a continent-wide reality. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing is headquartered in Nnewi, Anambra, Nigeria, and is aptly nicknamed the Pride of African Roads. The company's commitment to local production is noteworthy.